Hello, and welcome to the Tower Coffee Hour, your news channel for the Mueller neighborhood. We enjoy wandering the neighborhood and talking with people and trying to capture some of the special things going on in the neighborhood. I'm your host, Preston, or Tyree, and I look forward to talking with you sometime. In this episode, we are welcoming a new business to Mueller, Parkside Family Vision. Nick and Sarah Chu are neighbors and opened their new optometry office in the Parkside at Mueller Condos in Unit 108 that fronts on Mueller Blvd. Nick has been an optometrist in Austin since 2011, and he and Sarah have finally realized their dream of having their own office. Great space, great staff, and they have a great story. Please welcome Nick, Sarah, and Stef to the neighborhood. What are we doing here?
Well, we are an eye care facility clinic, and we are here to serve Mueller. And we've been in the neighborhood for how long now?
Since 2011.
Since 2011. So it's just been such a dream to be a part of the community for that long, but now we get to serve the community and provide excellent eye care. So that's the mission here.
So Steph, how long have you been with Parkside Family Vision?
I've been here a very short amount of time, ever since we kind of got started. It's been about a month and a bit. Yeah, it's pretty fantastic. I fell into it in a way that I couldn't have anticipated, and I don't know, getting to work with these guys has been a real pleasure.
Yeah.
We couldn't believe our luck here. He's our very first employee, and I think one of the hardest things about running a business is finding good people, and that's what really, I think, will make or break you, is your people. And so we can't believe our luck.
Yes.
I have to admit, I was impressed. I walked in here, you didn't know who I was. I had, all this stuff wandering around, and it just lights up.
Well, thank you.
Yeah. Just really nice experience to get to meet you that first time I walked in.
Likewise, thank you.
How did you get started in this business, Nick? What was the driver that says, I want to be a doctor?
Yeah, so I knew that I always wanted to be in healthcare since I can remember, and I really kind of took things seriously around my junior and senior year in high school. For career day, I interviewed and shadowed various different health professions. That included optometry, dentistry, as well as internal medicine. Through my shadowing, I just found an optometrist. The lady I was shadowing just had such a strong connection with her patients, something that I didn't see with other health professionals. And that right there just kind of drew me in. And as I got to know her and just who she is as a person, she was very involved in the community, always generous and very, very happy outside of work. I kind of knew that she had something special going on, and that's what got me interested. Yeah.
Where did you meet Nick, Sarah?
Oh gosh, we met in high school in Houston. It was actually through youth camp, summer youth camp. And we went to different churches, and a bunch of different churches in Houston get together to do a youth camp. And so we knew of each other. We didn't formally meet and get to know one another until college.
Yeah. And fun fact, we actually have the same exact birthday. So in college, since we had a lot of mutual friends, we actually had joint birthday parties with our mutual friends.
Yeah.
So we shared a lot of birthdays together in college.
January 19th, 1984.
Same day, same year, yeah.
For a resident of Mueller, I needed a health checkup on my eyes.
Mm-hmm.
So what do I do? How do I get in touch with you? How do I make an appointment? Do just walk in? Do I call? What's the process? And Steph may be the better person to answer that.
Yeah, so I will let Steph take care of that. Yeah, so
You can do any of the above. You can give us a call if you'd like to. We're always here to answer the phones. You can text in. You can go on our website at parksidefamilyvision.com, and it will have all of the information to get you set up, and then we can send you our new patient forms. We can text those to you. We can email those to you. Whatever is the most convenient, and get you all set up for a time that works best for you and that you're comfortable with.
Yeah, but it sounds like it's all computer. We got it. It's easy for me to check in and check out. Sarah, what do you do?
I am a CPA, and so I have a position with a company actually based out of Houston, and I've been working for them since 2010, and they've just been a really wonderful company to work for, and they've let me work remotely since we moved to Austin in 2011. So I worked 1 year in Houston for them on location, then moved to Austin when Nick was ready to start working here. And then years later, we're in Austin. You know, he's an optometrist and he's working for Dr. Lou. And I'm like, wow, he made that happen. He knows what he wants and sets his goals and makes it happen. So that was very impressive. But then he said, you know, but I'm not going to work for him very long. I'm going to start my own practice. That's my dream. But I think it ended up being perfect timing. We saved and saved and saved for a place like this. And now we're here, and yeah, this is a dream come true, and we can't believe our good fortune. Yeah. My role here is bookkeeper. I do our bookkeeping and accounting, payroll. I will be doing our taxes. Very excited about that.
Parking for Parkside Family Vision is pretty easy. As you can see, there's quite a bit of parking on the street. If that's full, go down to the stop sign, take a right turn, go down Simon Avenue to the garage underneath the building, and once you're inside, look to your right, see the sign says Parkside. That's where there's 6 parking spaces for Parkside. They're 51, 50, 49, 48, 47, and 46. Once you're parked, just come out past the Parkside sign and go through the garage. Watch for the cars. You're headed for the hallway. Follow the signs, and here we go. Up the ramp. Turn left at the top of the ramp, and we're in Parkside Family Vision. That was fun. I hope you got a good feeling about Nick and Sarah and what they're trying to do here in Miller. Please subscribe and hit the like button so we can continue to bring you the news of Miller.